Finding a prop firm could be a challenging task. So in this video, I wanted to share with you guys my thoughts and potential opinions on FundedNext as an option, a great alternative to a prop firm for you. Maybe you're looking to take a challenge, not sure guys, but either way, I wanted to share with you guys my thoughts, my opinions with this prop firm specifically. Now, this prop firm actually is a really good option. I've been looking over their website. I actually have a 200K account with them and I'm currently in the second phase. Again, so far everything's been pretty good in terms of like the trading environment. Everything's been good, customer service great, but wanted to show you guys kind of a comparison with FTMO, and that way we can kind of look at what options both have. And I do have some things that I do have to point out, so make sure you guys watch to the end. I'm going to be sharing that with you guys at the end of this video, and if you enjoy these videos guys, make sure you guys smash the like button. I really do appreciate it. It does support the channel. And welcome guys, make sure you guys also join our free Telegram community. We have an amazing community, by the way, of traders on there, so you can find it in the link below. So let's get started. So taking a look at FTMO specifically, we can see very clearly they start with the most smallest account size at 10,000, going up to 25, 50, 100, and up to 200,000. Now, if we look at FundedNext, they have a similar comparison here, except they have a smaller account at 6,000, starting at 6,000, 15,000, 25,000, 50,000, and up to 200,000. Now, here are the differences. So one of the things that I really did like I mentioned earlier, as a potential good alternative to other prop firms, FundedNext actually has something called profit sharing from the challenge phase. Now you get 15%, as you guys could see, once you do pass obviously the challenges. So challenge, which is challenge 1 and phase 2, and then obviously once you're funded, you actually get these payouts. So if you look at it here, I have a 200K account. So once I'm done, obviously I'm assuming you get the refund plus you get 15%, and so you could see that sums up to basically the 3,900. Same thing with here. You guys could see over here, starting from the smaller account, you could see we're at $117. This is a really beneficial, one of the most kind of cool highlights of this company is that they do offer this while you're doing the phase and the challenge. Now, I do find that, for example, with FTMO, they don't offer anything like this. It just doesn't exist. And even other prop firms, like for example, the Funded Trader, they don't offer anything like this. So this is something very unique for FundedNext. Moving on to the phases. So phase 1 and phase 2, you guys could see that these are the targets that they have. If we compare this to FTMO, again, I'm comparing it to another great reputable company. If we look to FTMO, basically the target that we can see here is 10%. So if we were to do a, for example, 100K account, you can see that the profit target is 10,000. So we're at 10%. And then once we get to phase 2, you can see that our profit target would be at 5%. Now that is very similar with FundedNext. However, we do have a little bit of an advantage here with FundedNext. If you look at it here closely, team, we're at 5% profit target and 8% on the first phase. So 8% on the first phase instead of 10%. So that'd be 2% less. Trust me, sometimes it makes a difference. I know that some prop firms nowadays are coming out with like, oh, you could do a one-step challenge, but not only that, some of them are doing like a lower percentage target, or you just get straight funded, which I think is kind of weird, to be honest. So, but I mean, you know, you got to watch out for those type of prop firms and stuff like that. I wouldn't personally recommend them and stuff, but anyways, yeah, so that's another beneficial thing about FundedNext that I really liked. Obviously FTMO, we could see here that is similar, and they've actually discounted it. So their target that they originally had was 10,000 here. I guess it would have kept it the same, but having this a little bit smaller and having to target a little bit less does make a difference. Okay, now another thing that we can kind of compare here that's similar, so we could see a balance-based drawdown that they don't have with FTMO. So again, I do have a challenge with FTMO. I'm basically on stage 2 right now, just about to finish, and then obviously same thing with FundedNext. I'm on stage 2, about to finish, and FundedNext does have a balance-based drawdown, and I think that in itself is great because you don't really have to worry about, you know, when the new trading day starts, worrying about carrying over, especially if you're a swing trader and stuff like that. This is really beneficial for you. FundedNext does carry this option. Unfortunately, FTMO does not offer anything like this. So this is another plus for FundedNext. Now, in terms of time limit, most of the prop firms nowadays, they don't have any time limits. So you can see obviously both of these companies are about the same. No trading period. You can see it's unlimited. This is one thing that I did notice here for FTMO. FTMO is 4 days. FundedNext is 5. Now, some of them are 5, some of them are 3, some of them are 4. It really doesn't matter. To me, honestly, like at the end of the day, it's just one more day you have to wait, and then all you do really is just place one trade or two, and then you're done and you pass it and good. So at the end of the day, that's not too much of a big deal there, but just pointing it out here in comparison. And then other than that, there's not much of a difference other than that. I did notice that the spreads overall are pretty good on FTMO, a little bit higher. We can see that we have $3 lot sizes here for FundedNext, which I do like. I do find that with FundedNext, when I place the orders, there isn't that much of a spread. So overall, no complaints with that. And another benefit with FundedNext that I really liked is that we have up to 90% profit share. With FTMO, I believe it's 80%. So again, FTMO's FTMO, they have a great reputation, but I wanted to show you another great reputable company like FundedNext as a great option. We have 1-to-1 leverage, as you can see, very similar to FTMO as well. I don't know if they have it somewhere here, but I know that they are 1-to-1 as well. And then, so want to go up to the benefits here that we could see here, and as you can see, this is the 15% balance based drawdown, raw spreads, and no time limits on challenges. And overall, guys, you guys could see this is a very great company. I like the community that they've established. If we go over to, where was it here? Let's go. I think it was About Us. You could see the founders of the company. I really like how they're doing events. I like how they've received multiple awards. You could see the meetups they've done, FundedNext, global meetups. Everything's there, guys. And I think that really gives peace of mind. So again, I wanted to create this video because I wanted to compare the two, especially with the top dog FTMO here, and wanted to show you a great comparable and just show you something that is another great option, another great challenge that you can take, like a company like this. So if you guys are looking to, start a challenge with FundedNext, make sure you guys click the link below. I do have a link, like I said, with FundedNext, and that way you guys take advantage. Guys, you have nothing to lose. I'm telling you, I should have done prop firm trading a long time ago. I would have leveraged this so much back then, but it is what it is. I'm thankful I'm doing it now. Like I said, I have a 200K account with them and a 100K account with FTMO. But yeah, I wanted to show you guys a great alternative, something that will maybe be a little bit more easier for you to pass with like the requirements that they have here at 8%, and then a little bit more when it comes to your profit sharing. I know what it's like to try and build capital, guys. Trust me, I was only trading my own capital before I learned about prop firm trading. So the fact that this could help you, this could be a great alternative for your trading. But yeah, guys, if you have any questions or whatever it is, I'm here to help, guys. I want you to know that created this community for you guys. So thankful for how far we've come. And if you guys enjoy these videos, guys, make sure you guys leave a comment, smash the like button as well too, guys, and share this with your friends, because trust me, guys, if it's gonna bless someone, then it's always great to share the love and spread the love, guys. But yeah, guys, thank you so much. We're live every single day, Monday through Friday at 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and we're post weekly videos. So thank you so much, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.